Right, okay, so if you're watching this video, you are probably experiencing the same thing which I've had on this car for about 2 months, and that is the remote locking is no longer working, and as you know, is the most annoying thing ever. So in this video, I'm going to go through all the things you can try and fix it. So first of all, start off with the basics. Make sure you have a good battery in there. Literally just pop off the cap off the remote, put a new battery in, just see if it works. If you still have no luck with that, the next thing you want to try is recoding the key. Now it varies from model to model, but on my Audi A4, and you literally just Google how to do it, but for the Audi A4 B7 that I have, this is the procedure that you want to try to recode it. So you want to hop in the driver's seat. Now with your key, you want to hold down the unlock button. You want to put it in the ignition, turn the ignition on, while still holding the unlock button. You want to hold it in this position for about 10 seconds. Now once you've held it there for 10 seconds, while still holding onto the unlock, twist, pull, and then release. And then you try it a couple times. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts to actually get it working correctly. But if that still isn't working, then there is 1 or 2 more things you can try which worked for me. Now the next thing I did is there is a module called the comfort control module. It just sits right under the carpet, under the driver's seat, so there is a bit of trim. Under here you want to take this plastic door trim out. That exposes some screws. You want to take those out and you can lift the whole carpet out. You'll see it in a little plastic box sat there. I'll put a picture of it up here so you know what it looks like. But that is the main control, one of the main control units that controls all the electrics in the car. Sometimes you just need to reset that, so take it out, unplug it, leave it for half an hour, and put it back in. Might fix your problem, didn't for me. In the end, this is what I had to do, and this is eventually what solved my problem. So you are going to need VCDS. It's a basic diagnostics program for all Volkswagen Audi Group cars, if you didn't know. So you want to plug your VCDS into the OBD port, just down there. Obviously other end goes in the laptop. Okay, so once you're on VCDS, you're going to want to go into the modules. Then you are going to either go into Central Locks 35 or 46 Central Convenience. It varies from car to car. For my car it is Central Convenience. And wait for that to recognise the module. Okay, now once we're in there, you're going to want to go on to Adaption. So you're either going to want to go onto channel 1, or on some Audis it will be channel 21. So for my Audi it was 21, but it might be number 1 for you, so try both of those. But when you find the right channel, go on to read, and then it will take that up, and you should get key control adaption memory location come up in the top bar over there. So what you're going to want to do is go on to your stored value here, and if you had the same problem that I had, it will say 0 in there, and what that is saying is the car currently cannot store, has no keys stored to the car, and that could happen just from your battery getting really low and it resets the whole ECU, or any kind of problem that causes the ECU basically to reset and it loses all the keys that are stored. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change the value here to however many keys you want to program to the car. So in this case 1. Then you're going to want to press test, and then you are going to want to press the unlock button on your, like that. And as you can see up in the top, it should flash up saying recognized. So you're going to simply save. I'm going to go no because I've already done it, but you're going to click save. Done, and go back. And there you go. You've basically recoded the new key to your car, and that was the problem I was having. Unfortunately, you do need VCDS for it. or you can just, if you suspect this is your issue, take it to a garage, tell them about it, and they can just do it for you using one of their laptops. But yeah, that is how I fixed my remote locking on my A4 B7 when none of the other methods I could find online worked. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please consider looking at my channel, maybe subscribing, give the video a like, comment down below, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video.